Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. One of our viewers have sent this question. Semicircles are described on both sides AB and CD of a rectangle ABCD as diameters, both inside the rectangle. That means we have a rectangle A, B, C and D. Okay, so two semicircles are described with AB and CD as diameters. This is one semicircle and this is one semicircle. You can see AD is diameter and CD is diameter. Both are inside the rectangle. Okay, if AB is 14 and BC is 7. AB is 14 and this BC is 7. Find area enclosed by the semicircles. We need to find area enclosed by these two semicircles, and in the second bit we should find area of the portion of the rectangle lying outside the semicircles. This part and this part we should find in the second bit. Okay, now see, this is 7 centimeters given and this is 14 centimeters. So the diameter of each circle, each semicircle will be equal to half of 14, which will be equal to 7, isn't it? Diameter is 14, so radius will be equal to 7 centimeters. All right, now let me join these two parts where the circle is, where the semicircles are touching rectangle. So this will also be equal to 7 centimeters because this BC is 7, so this part will also be 7. So let us take this as XY. Okay, now the radius of this semicircle will also be equal to 7. So if I join this point to X, this is 7 because this is the radius. Okay, and let me join this also. This will also be equal to 7 centimeters. Three sides are equal. Hence it is an equilateral triangle. We know angles will be 60 degrees, right? Okay, so like this we'll have one more equilateral triangle here. If I join this, if I make the diagram like this, we'll have two equilateral triangles. We know area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side. So here we have root 3 by 4. Side of each equilateral triangle is 7. 7, 7, 7 here, right? So this will be 7 square, that is 7 into 7. This is area of one equilateral triangle. What will be area of two equilateral triangles? It will be twice of this. All right. This will be the area of two equilateral triangles, isn't it? So if you find this will come 42.434, approximately 42.434. Area of two equilateral triangles is 42.434 centimeter square. All right. Now we found this area and this area. Let us find this part. What is this part now? It is segment, right? We have a circle. See, if we draw a big circle like this, the shaded region is actually the segment, right? So we know area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, area of sector formula is x by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. We need to find area of one triangle only, area of one equilateral triangle. It is root 3 by 4 a square. X here is how much? 60 degrees. This is degrees, right? So it is 60 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. R is 7. So it is 7 into 7 minus root 3 by 4 into A. A is also 7. So 7 into 7. Okay. So area of one segment will be equal to, if you simplify this whole part, 4.453 will come. Okay. I have calculated all the values so that I cannot waste time here. Okay, area of one segment is 4.453 centimeter square. Now, how many segments do we have? This is one segment, 1, 2, and this is another segment, 3 and 4 segments, 4 same segments, right? So area of 4 segments will be equal to 4 multiplied by 4.453. Okay, so this will give us 17.812. Okay, area of 4 segments is 17.812. Now let me shade this triangle and this triangle I have shaded now, right? Now what will be the shaded region? Shaded region will be area of 4 segments plus area of 2 equilateral triangles, isn't it? Area of segment plus area of 2 equilateral triangles. So let me write it here. That will be 42.434 plus 17.812. So if we add this, we'll get 60.246. This is the shaded region. Let me take another paper. So we have area of shaded region 60.246 centimeter square. We are not done with the question yet. We need to find area enclosed by the semicircles. Okay, so let me just draw a rough diagram again here. We have one semicircle like this and another semicircle is like this, right? We need to find the area enclosed by the semicircles. So let us first find the area of one semicircle. Area of one semicircle, pi r square divided by 2. Area of one circle is pi r square, but area of semicircle will be pi r square divided by 2. Like this, we have one more semicircle, right? So area of two semicircles will be 2 times pi r square by 2. So this will in fact be pi r square only. Okay, but there is one issue here. What? We have considered this shaded region twice in this. Okay, when we were finding the area of one semicircle, this has appeared once, and when we are finding the area of another semicircle, this has appeared once again. So this shaded region has come twice. So we need to subtract this shaded region. So we just now found this shaded region. What was it? It was equal to 60.246, right? So we should subtract this if we want to find the area of the semicircles enclosed. So area enclosed by semicircles will be equal to pi r square, this area, minus 60.246, because 60.246 has come twice in this, right? So let us substitute. 22 by 7 is pi, r is 7 into 7 minus 60.246. 7 will get cancelled. This will be 154 minus 60.246. So this will come 90.754 centimeter square. Okay, so the first problem is, answer for the first problem is 90.754 centimeter square. Now we have done the difficult part. We need to find only this part now in the second one, right? Let me shade it with pencil. What do we need to find now? We need to find this part and this part. So we need to find this shaded region now, shaded with pencil, this part and this part, which is very easy, right? Area of full rectangle minus area of the area enclosed by the semicircles. So the second part will be area of rectangle minus area enclosed by semicircles. Area of rectangle is L into B minus area enclosed by semicircles, just now we found 90.756754, right? What is the area of rectangle? 14 into 7. So this is 14 into 7 minus 90.754. This will be 98 minus 90.754 equal to 7.246. This is the second answer, right? Second bit.